Hey, I'm Melanie Trailer, and today I'm showing you a finished quilt top. We're talking about my Good Girl quilt. Let me just tell you a little bit about this pattern, and then I'll show you the quilt. All right, so Good Girl is one of my very first quilt patterns, and this is a very simple pattern. And it's one of the patterns that I always tell people to start with. If you've never made a quilt before, this one is so easy. Having said that, it is a scrappy pattern, so it's great for getting rid of 2.5-inch strips like jelly rolls and things like that. I made this version to show off my Midsummery collection. This is a brand new collection in the shop, and it's fully in stock right now. But one thing, if you are familiar with this pattern, and I have made this quilt probably more than a dozen times, I usually have the background as low volumes. Like I said, it's scrappy, so scrappy low volumes. And then I have the sashing as whatever collection I'm using, or my scraps. This time, to show off the prints in Midsummery, I reversed it. So it's got the background as Midsummery, and then for the sashing I just used a solid white. It's actually a couple of different colors of white, but this pattern, it's all straight line sewing, super easy, and this is like getting a quilt done in a single afternoon. Let's take a look at it. All right, I love this collection. It is so happy. It's just like perfect for summer, bright and colorful. And this is a pattern that really shows off your fabric. So if you've got some fabrics where you just really love them, this is a pretty good pattern for those kind of fabrics. I think you can kind of see the two different whites in the strips, but this is not my favorite way of making the Good Girl quilt, but I still love it because I like looking at the fabric so much. There's a little close-up. All right, let me show you details. All right, here it is all laid out. Yeah, this is a really pretty collection. This is one of my favorite collections that I've drawn up. I'm really hoping to do it again for maybe a different season and change up the colors because I really love the florals in this one. So super easy, all straight line sewing. I'm telling you, this is, if you're looking for something fast, or you're a brand new quilter, this is the pattern for you. That's my favorite fabric in the whole collection. So pretty. This is a quilt that I always give as gifts too. Like if I want to give someone a quilt, because it's super quick. All right, I'm going to put links to the Midsummery fabric collection right below this video, along with the Good Girl quilt pattern. I believe we also have a few kits in the shop. I don't think we have this particular collection kitted for Midsummery, but we have a few others if you're interested in making this pattern. It's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching this video, and I will see you next time. Want to improve your quilting skills? Join Quilt Class for just $15 a month. You'll get a new pattern, step-by-step demos, and access to a supportive quilting community. Learn, create, and connect, all from the comfort of your home. Sign up today.